The mission of the Hope Lodge is to provide free lodging to cancer patients and their caregivers traveling for treatment.
We're really just coming out and engaging with the people here, cooking a good meal for them, a good hearty meal, feeding the human spirit.
Everybody wants to make a difference. How can they help? And this is a way they can help. How can I do more? This is a way that they can do more.
There's no other place in the world where if you're going through cancer treatment, you can walk into a room of 50 people going through the exact same thing.
Of course, you have to feed the soul. With the donation from Kroger, feed the soul of our patients.
After a hard day or a long day at the hospital and have Kroger bring you meals, it means a lot.
We are so thankful for corporate partners like Kroger to help us out in a lot of families' time of need.